And shem ayikho lento esizoyizama sithi siyayiphika or samvikela. Oh, Vuyokazi sana walanda uJonas nje ohamba ngamanyawo ethu.
And the part where the wives find out that they're sick and bagulise Jonas, that is very real. It happens in real life, so be careful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, over you guys will build a public brand yakhe the start. From the start esuka kuzingane zethembu sibona nje umpumelelo engamphathile kahle and also abotirelo bemkhuluma kabi nje kungekho mnandi, and she left izingane zethembu, went as far as dating uXolani, Chef Xolani, the guy who married uVuyokazi, and then later on watshela ibaby mama yakhe ukuthi ushada noVuyokazi just for it. Not uVuyokazi going as far as dating umuntu ochase it ngezinye iy'ndlela nje. uZonzo is publicly known for using abafazi nje, ukujola nama-slay queen nje uZonzo, and he has money. He's also a DJ and also married, I think badivorcile no-Alicia. uZonzo, guys, was dating uBaba Lonuku, the young child nje obekatrenda allegedly. Guys, as uVuyokazi, country nje is so disappointed. Yes, she's young. Yes, she has to enjoy her life, but I think it was much better when she was hiding abantu ajola nabo, because going public, and I don't even think uVuyokazi posted this video. uZonzo loves clout, so it's either uZonzo posted this video because he knows ukuthi uzotrenda. Guys, Vuyokazi nkosi yami. This guy was known allegedly to be dating young children younger than him, and uphakamisa iy'mpilo zabo because uyabanikeza ngisho imali. He's moneyed, so he keeps on giving these children money, and then they become slay queens. So now everyone is assuming ukuthi uVuyokazi went to do umzimba wakhe, wafixa umzimba wakhe, and wafixa nje yonke into just to go and be a slay queen. Now we don't even know ukuthi kahle kahle zonke lezi zinto bekazenzela zona noma she's a slay queen naye na. Oh, South Africa is very disappointed, especially abalandeli bakaVuyokazi. They are very disappointed. You can't choose ukuthi umuntu angajola nobani, but then public brand, abantu barutha for wena, but then being seen there after graduating, buying yourself a home, moving in nabantwana bakho, co-parenting no baba abantwana bakho. We're so disappointed. Thank you guys for watching.